20 years ago, we did all the tooling by hand. Today, it's all done in CAD. You know, so it's CAD modeled on a computer, still using basically the same shapes, the same knowledge, but just drawing it in CAD program and machining that shape out on a CNC router. Back when we did it by hand, you couldn't make one half of the boat exactly like the other half. So that was a big difference. Now with computer CAD generated models, really a lot of times with a whole bottom, you're just working on one side and you just mirror it to the other side and it becomes, you know, an exact mirror. So it was a perfect shape. And you know, over 23 years, you end up with a great hull. It's an evolution.
The best-selling 23-foot boat in the history of the water sports industry just got better. Malibu's WAKESETTER 23 LSV has been fully redesigned for 2014 and includes numerous enhancements to improve your experience on the water. This all-new boat starts with an innovative hull design that will boost your wakeboarding and wake surfing experience, while the running surface remains unchanged. The 23 LSV also features wake view seating, deeper storage, and a user-friendly dashboard, in addition to many other updates across the 2014 line. With new WAKESETTER graphics, optional Decadence lay-in mat and rear transom seating, the 23 LSV has a new look and feel with the same Malibu vibe. The driver will appreciate a newly designed helm featuring a new steering wheel and shifter. And you can expect the same high-end performance and handling that Malibu is known for. Riders can fine-tune their ride with the Power Wedge and customizable rider presets. As in the past, the Diamond hull is also available for slalom skiing families that like to experience it all. With the best out-of-the-box surf wave on the planet, the 23 LSV equipped with SURFGATE is a perfect wake surfing machine. For 2014, SURFGATE features a faster actuator for quicker side-to-side transfers. Malibu has also incorporated signaling with a horn on the transom and optional indicator lights on the tower, helping the rider time his transfer from one side to the other. Transfers have never been easier. With this level of versatility, the all-new 23 LSV is life without limits.